Dear aspirants, a very warm welcome from Dr. Soumya, CEO and co-founder of Study MEDIC. Welcoming you to day 18 of the MRCOG Part 2 Daily Exam Tip Series. CG257 replaced CG156 in 2026. The IVF access numbers have changed. Examiners are already testing this. Refer for specialist assessment after 1 year of regular unprotected intercourse. Refer earlier if the woman is 36 or over, or there is a known cause, amenorrhea, previous PID undescended testis, cancer treatment, core investigations, day 21 progesterone to confirm ovulation, semen analysis and tubal patency. HSG if no comorbidities, laparoscopy plus dye if endometriosis or PID is suspected. Do not use a post-coital test. IVF access lock these numbers. Under 40 who meet criteria offer 3 full cycles and consider 3 further cycles if those fail before she turns 40. Age 40 to 41 offer 1 full cycle, but only if she has never had IVF, there is no evidence of low ovarian reserve and she has been counselled. A full cycle includes the fresh and all frozen embryo transfers from that stimulation. Previous MHS or self-funded cycles count. Refer at 1 year earlier if 36 or above. Under 40, 3 full cycles, 40 to 42, 1 full cycle with criteria. A full cycle includes frozen transfers.